I've been running through the dark all alone. Heavy heart, but I'm still standing strong. Every scar is just a place that I've grown. Every step proves where I belong. When the world gets loud and I can't breathe, I remember there's a fire in me. Hold on tonight, don't let it go. Even in the dark, your light will glow. Step by step, you'll find your way. You're stronger than yesterday. Hold on tonight, just stay alive. Through every fall, you learn to rise. No matter how far you feel, go. Just hold on. Broken roads, but I keep moving ahead. Every doubt just echoes in my head. But I know there's more than what I see. There's a better version of me. When the silence starts to pull me down, I turn the pain into my sound. Hold on tonight. Hold